Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you how to write gitignore. So many times we want to ignore some files, some folders, some files with this type of extension in the gitignore so that whenever we commit and push, it will not upload and other people will not get that files. So these are the files like some temporary files, some like catchy file and debug log and all those kind of files we don't want to upload. So suppose if I can show you, like this is my gitignore file here, and I don't want files like a debug log to be uploaded because whenever I do run the code in browser or do some testing and all, this testing log will be created. So these things I don't want it to upload and other people should not get it. And there is like a PNG. I want to ignore all the files inside this screenshot folder. So screenshot is like this everything after doing like auto testing, these files are being created and it has like .png extension. I don't want all of this file which is created by auto testing to upload in git server. So because of that I want to ignore, so I will write like dot p asterisk dot png should not upload. And I don't want any files under the like test browser console files should not get updated. So you can write like test browser console and here, so inside whatever it is there, it will not get uploaded. Yes. So let's discuss in more detail. Suppose like this is like gitignore docs. So it's written here like too conservative asterisk asterisk asterisk, and like if you write asterisk asterisk and foo, and then it means like whatever names can be here, but after that if foo is there means that will be ignored. So it in case if it is like a b c d e slash foo, then all a b c d e slash foo will be ignored. So it's like a slash b. An example, suppose you are programming in Java, and if you misspell some of the file with like txt and .c, then you can ignore all those files using hello.txt and hello.c. But in this case you should not ignore hello.java because wildcard we haven't been used, so only this exact match will be ignored. Suppose in suppose this is gitignore. Okay, let's let's try to create one new file here. Okay, new text file, and I will give it as something dot abc. Okay, so if you check gitignore here, it will come by abc that text. So if you want in git, if you are using source tree, you can ignore in this way, like ignore it. And here you have four options: ignore exact name, this will ignore exact name which will matches this one. Ignore all files with this extension means all the files with this .txt extension will be ignored. And there is another option, ignore everything beneath. Suppose you want to ignore everything beneath the test file or like test browser, then you can ignore that too. Ignore custom pattern. In this pattern, this is the most important one. Like we want to write some pattern like um, let's discuss here. Suppose this is here I have like a StackOverflow discussion here. So somebody want to ignore like bin inside the bin debug folder and inside the release folder. That person can do use wildcard, like solution will be like asterisk asterisk bin debug slash. So it will ignore all the files below debug or asterisk asterisk bin release. So he can, this is the one solution. So there are a lot of solutions like debug slash. If you do, then this is also pattern match. All the things below debug and release will be ignored. And like you can use wildcard example is there. Suppose like you can use slash wordpress asterisk slash wordpress asterisk slash wordpress. So in this way you can ignore all the files. And one thing I want to tell you that still I haven't able to do. Suppose I have this screenshot file, and in this folder there is png file like that. In every folder is there. In some folder like news has create and then fail and then body and then have. So in this case I want to ignore all the files below screenshot and with .png. So still I am not able to do that. I think in this discussion somebody says it's I was not able to do, file does not work, like to exclude all the subdirectory but take content at slash. So even if you use any wildcard, it is not working. So I have added asterisk.png extension to ignore all my files inside that one for now. So like this you can also git ignore so many things, so many files and folder. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you enjoy this video, please like my video and please subscribe it. Don't forget to subscribe it. I will be uploading all kind of things whichever I will learn new things. My channel is share all, so let's share everything. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.